dear children. How are you all today? Okay, it's really good to see all of you having a broad smile on your face. In our last class, we have studied all about addition, isn't it? We have practiced addition. We saw the properties of addition. What are the properties of addition? We have closure property, yes or no, or order property of addition, group property of addition, and zero property of addition. So any number added to zero is going to be, we'll get the same number, yes or no. And order property, if we are adding any two numbers, in whichever order we write, we will get the same answer. So that is known as order property. And in case we have three numbers and we change the order and we add it, we again get the same answer. So that is known as the group property of addition. Okay. In today's class, we are going to see, we have already discussed few questions on story problems. Okay. So again, today's class, we will see few examples of story problems. So, in my previous lessons also, I had told that how to approach a story problem. അല്ലേ സ്റ്റോറി പ്രോബ്ലം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം തരികയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്, എന്തിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് പറയണത്, എന്താണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്, ഈ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നമ്മൾ ഏത് അരിതമെറ്റിക് ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ആണ് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക സ്റ്റോറി പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലേ. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഒരു രണ്ട് മൂന്ന് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നോക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ഫൈൻ. സോ ഷാൽ വി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ദ ക്ലാസ്? ഓക്കേ. So let us see one example. Okay. So what is it? Let's see. Now see, I'm going to read the question. Okay. Ramesh bought two calculators. Okay. Why is calculator used? To calculate fast, isn't it? So like computer calculator also can calculate it fast, isn't it? Okay. They cost him rupees 2,795 and rupees 1,885. How much did he pay in all for calculators? Appo Ramesh enda vaangichadu? What did Ramesh purchase? Calculators. How many calculators did he purchase? Two calculators. Okay. And the cost is given for both the calculators. How much Ramesh has spent is given. So what is supposed to be found out? We have to find out the total cost. Yes or no? We have to find out the total cost of the calculators. എന്താണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്? ടോട്ടലി രമേശ് എത്രയാണ് ചെലവാക്കിയത് ഈ രണ്ട് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റർ വാങ്ങിക്കാൻ എന്നാണ് അല്ലേ. സോ ലെറ്റ് us write the statements and then try to add it. Okay. അപ്പൊ ഏത് അരിതമെറ്റിക് ഓപ്പറേഷനാ ചെയ്യാ? addition. In all എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഏതാണ് അരിതമെറ്റിക് ഓപ്പറേഷൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാ? addition. All together, in all, total എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഏത് അരിതമെറ്റിക് ഓപ്പറേഷനാ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക? we will do addition. പ്ലസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുക. Okay. So നമുക്ക് statements എഴുതാം. So whenever we are having a question like this, we will write statements and then solve the problem. Okay. So first one we will write cost of the first calculator. Okay, what is the cost of the first calculator? Look to the question again. Go back. Are you all sitting with your textbooks? Yes. So, see the cost of the calculator. It is 2,795. Then again, what is the cost of the second calculator? 1,885. Okay. Now, what are we supposed to find out? We have to find out both together how much Ramesh has spent, yes or no. So we can write total cost. Okay, എത്രയായിരുന്നു total cost എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ total എന്ന് വരുമ്പോ in all എന്ന് വരുമ്പോ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാ? Plus ആണ് ചെയ്യാ. We will be adding it. So we will write 2,795 plus 1885. Okay. Now we are going to add. And how do we add? First we will write the place value chart. Place both the numbers according to the place value. Yes. Then we will put the symbol what we are doing. We are going to add. And then we will start adding from the ones place. We are going to add from the ones place. So now let's start adding. 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? It is 10. So നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ 10 എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Can we write 10? No. So we have to write the ones place of 10 here and tens place on the top. So we will carry forward it. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So we will write 1 here and 0 here. ഇനി നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? നമ്മൾ tens പ്ലേസിൽ ഉള്ള എന്തൊക്കെ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ആണോ അതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യും. Okay, so 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 8 is 18. Yes or no? So can we write 18 here? No, we cannot write. So we'll put 8 here and 1 will be given as carry forward to the next place. Okay? Fine. Now 8 plus 7 is how much? 8 plus 7, everyone do it. Yes, it is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So we'll get the answer 16. So the ones place of 16 we will write it down and the tens place will be given as carry forward. Okay. So now we will add the thousands place. What is there in thousands place? 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4680. So totally how much did Ramesh spend for both the calculators? രണ്ടും കൂടി വാങ്ങിക്കാൻ രമേശ് എത്ര സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്തത്? 4680. Okay, is that clear? Okay, appo nammal statement problems la whenever you get a question like this you write statements like this. Think what we have to do. Okay, plus ആണോ minus ആണോ എന്നെല്ലാം നോക്കി ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ട് വേണം ചെയ്യാൻ. Then you already have learned addition, isn't it? So you can write it according to the place value and then add it. Okay, fine. So can we see one more question? All right. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is about stamps. നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ stamps collect ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടോ? When I was small, I used to collect stamps. Okay, I still have around, I think somewhere around 70 stamps I have. Okay, do you collect stamps? എവിടെയാണെന്നൊന്നും അറിയില്ല കേട്ടോ, but I used to collect it. I was very crazy for collecting the stamps. നിങ്ങളൊന്നും stamps കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോന്നൊന്നും അറിയില്ല. When we were small, we used to send letters. Okay, so for sending letters, we need stamps. Okay, I don't know whether you have seen it. Okay, so probably you can see the pictures of the stamps. That's all. Okay, so this question is about stamps. And what is the question? Syed has 488 stamps. Okay, Syed has 488. Syed has 468 stamps. His sister Amina has 395 stamps. How many stamps do they have in all? Okay, so what is this question about? The question is about the stamps with two children. And who are the two children? Saeed and Amina. How many stamps does Saeed have? Saeed has 468 stamps. And how many stamps does Amina have? Amina has 395 stamps. So, how many stamps do they all have in all? രണ്ടു പേരുടെയും കൂടി എത്ര സ്റ്റാമ്പ്സ് ഉണ്ട് എന്നാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് arithmetic operation ആണ് ചെയ്യുക? What is the arithmetic operation we will do? We will do addition. Okay, so we will write the statements first. And what is the statements? Number of stamps with Said is equal to 468. Number of stamps with Amina, 395. Total number of stamps is equal to 468 plus 395. Okay. Then we are going to add it. So whenever we are adding, it is always good that you have a place value chart and then you write the numbers according to the place value and then start adding. Okay. So when I add, from where will we start adding? We will always start adding from the ones place. We will always start adding from the ones place. So 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? Come on, keep the bigger number in your mind. Take the smaller number in your hand. So after 8, start counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much are we getting? 13. So will we write 13 there? No. How can we write a 2-digit number as an answer? So we'll write the ones place down, which is 3. 13 ones place ഏതാണ് 3. പിന്നെ tens place ഏതാ വരുന്നത് 1. So that would be carry forward. Okay. Now we will move and add all the digits in the tens place. And what is in the tens place? 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 10 plus 16 is, 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, so 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16. So again, we will write the ones place, the bottom, and the tens place would be given as a carry forward. Okay, so now tell me what is the answer? 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is 863. So when we add 468 and 395, we get 863. So Saeed and Amina put together, how many stamps they are having? They are having 863 stamps. Nice collection, isn't it? So do you have such hobbies with you? Okay. Some few students, they collect that manjari. Okay, that seed they collect, and few of them collect pebbles. Okay, so it's always good to have a hobby, isn't it? ഒരു hobby ഉണ്ടാവണത് നല്ലതാണ്. ചിലര് പേപ്പറിൽ കട്ടിങ്സ് ആണ് കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുക, എന്നിട്ട് അത് ആൽബം ഉണ്ടാക്കും. ഓക്കെ, അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങൾക്കും പലതും ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, വീട്ടിലിരിക്കുകയല്ലേ, അപ്പോ പഠിക്കലൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഡെയിലി എൻഗേജ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ചില ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക കേട്ടോ. Fine, which is very helpful for you. So children, I hope you all have understood, okay, how to approach or how to solve a story sum or a statement problem. Okay, so with this, I think we are coming an end for this chapter. Okay, we have completed addition. There are so many questions in your textbook. So I request all of you to sit and practice each and every question. നമ്മൾ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്താലേ മാത്സിൽ നമുക്ക് സ്പീഡ് വരുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. So please practice. All right. See you in the next class, children. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.